Corey. I'm the Health, Safety, Environmental and Quality Manager for Marais. Marais here in Australia is a subsidiary of Marais in France, when the company was started, which is a subsidiary itself of Tesmec based in Italy. So staff consists mainly of engineers, operators and labourers on site, and we have administrative staff here in Sydney.
My name is Remy Evnat. I work as a project manager for Marais Laying Technology. I'm managing 3 construction sites in the Sydney area, as well as assisting in a project in Victoria. Managing 3 different sites at the same time has always been challenging regarding reporting. Traditionally, we were working on a paper daily site report.
We have paperwork that has to come from outback Australia and end up in Italy. It's got to go through a lot of people's hands to get there. At the end of the day, our operators and supervisors don't want to have to drive 50 kilometres back to the site office, hand in their paperwork. It just wastes everyone's time.
Once we had the paper report, it was sent by email, transferred to Excel and sent to the head office in France and Italy, lacking a bit of structure and consistency.
Found that there was a bottleneck on site, that information wasn't getting from where it started to where it needed to finish. Working on paper is the hardest way to do things. People don't like doing things the hard way. There was some frustration within the company trying to find the right solution for what we needed. Once we came across Dashpivot, formerly paper-based documents, we've been able to shift them over to Dashpivot and have them on hand for anyone to use.
Dashpivot for me is a good way to know at any time what happened on the different construction sites I'm managing. On site, Dashpivot streamlines the flow of information from the operator to the team leader and then to the project manager. This information is then pushed to the head office in Australia, in France and in Italy in real time. As a project manager point of view, having all the site information available at any time is a good improvement regarding supervision and monitoring.
One of the great things for me as the Health, Safety and Quality Manager is that I can integrate what I need to know into the reports that we use on Dashpivot. Health and safety and quality relies on getting that information to me quickly and efficiently and correctly so that I can prepare for upcoming works and to respond to incidences. Converting the existing documents into the Dashpivot template took all of a morning and was really easy to set up.
On a daily basis, we got our clients signing our site report on Dashpivot thanks to an electronic signature. Because it is on a digital format, it's easier for us to access it from the head office and then attach it to the invoicing to the client. High quality reports acknowledged by the client on a daily basis are less subjective.
My favourite thing of Dashpivot is the photos feature. We have been able to really give those that we need to report to, who are here in Sydney, overseas, a real-time snapshot of conditions on site, production on site, people on site, and with the tagging feature, we are able to really easily search for what we're looking for. We've found a huge increase in efficiency in us being able to get the information from site onto Sydney and then overseas to France and Italy.
Since we've started using Dashpivot, everyone uses it on site as it is easy to put in place and to use.
Because Dashpivot is so flexible, we've been able to collaborate with other stakeholders in France and Italy and build the software to fit our business as we need it to. I would recommend Dashpivot to other construction companies looking to streamline and digitise the way they do business.